Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you remove background in Photoshop. So for doing that, first open Photoshop. So here I am using Adobe Creative Cloud for using Photoshop absolutely for free. So here you can see Photoshop option is showing. Now by clicking on it, I can open Adobe Photoshop absolutely for free. So just wait. So here you can see here is an option remove background. Now click on it. So you can drag drop your file in which you want to remove the background. So I am choosing the sample image. Let me choose this one. So just wait, it is loading. So here you can see it is loading the document and options are loading. So just wait till the loading ends. So here you can see Photoshop is launched and the photo is loaded. Now just wait for it. It is removing the background. So here you can see the progress is showing. So here you can see the background has been removed. So let me show you the real picture. So here is a real picture. And this is what it looks after removing the background. So this is the option to remove background in Photoshop. You also have the another option like blur background you can explore in Photoshop. If you want to know how can you use Adobe Photoshop or can say download Adobe Photoshop for free, you can check out the description for the tutorial or the channel. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.